Here is the app called Hailuo AI video generator like Hollywood in your pocket. So this is a new app, your AI video creation companion. Transform your ideas into captivating videos with just a few clicks. Hailuo video harnesses advanced AI technology to generate high quality videos from text, description, images, text to videos, images to videos, subject reference, exceptional emotional expression, professional grade quality. So yeah, that's just, you can just open it up, just double click to install it, and that's just what you have in here. So then you can just open it up, and then you can see the overview. There is max, there is text to video, image to video, and then you need to sign in with your account to try it out. And then you just can create some videos like, and then you can just try to generate it. It will generate for you. There are some free starting credits for you to check out. So it just takes some time. It's generating 3% in progress. It takes time. And then if you want, you can upgrade. $96 per year. So it's much cheaper than other apps. This category, $9 per month, not per week. But this is just standard. And then if you want to have Pro, you have Master, Ultra, and then there is Max, which is $200 per month, where you can just really generate a lot of this stuff. And then yeah, then you have your account, then you have settings, there is API as well, and there's your account. It seems they don't have any referral codes programs, otherwise I would just share it with you. And then you can see all of the results in here, this kind of stuff, what you can see. I mean, it's not like the best kind of results, what I understand, but it's good enough, you know, if you, especially if you want a mass production or bulk creation for some jobs, you know, this is kind of the app for that. Probably there are a lot of websites which are doing that for you, but yeah, this is just what you have. So it's just, yeah, it's not instant. Takes some time, takes like 5-10 minutes in here. So then finally seems it's ready. So 6 seconds clip. There you have it, and then you just have it like that. Waterfall in the forest, quite nice quality, I would say. It's not, you know, you can then just favorite, delete it, post it. You can download, and I spent like 25 credits. So with standard, you get 1,000 credits per month. So you can create like 40 videos like that. And yeah, so that's just what you have in here.